Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you guys had a great, relaxing winter break. Hope you got to refresh and restart and get ready to come back to school. Obviously, we are the first week virtual. I'm sorry if you hear any background noises. One, I got the dog in the crate. Two, I have people working. I am in the new house, so you're going to hear people working because it isn't done, but we are living here, so I apologize for any background noises that you hear. But let's talk about what we're going to be doing for the week 18 assignments. So there are a couple videos that you're going to watch. There are a couple assignments you're going to fill out. The first thing, the 2.1.3, putting it together, I just want you to check that out, read over it, and watch the video attached at the bottom. That's the only thing you have to do with that. The next thing is the 2.1.3 Onshape Mates worksheet. You're going to be filling this out while simultaneously working on a Onshape course. So in Onshape, and I'll show you in class, we will be accessing one of their course that talks about assemblies and mates. Onshape does a really great job of explaining how mates work and when you would use certain mates. So that's why I'm choosing to follow along with their course. But I do want you to recognize the different types of mates that we have in Onshape and the different types of mates that you will be experiencing and using. So I have those all listed here, and I want you to give me their definition and then why or when you might use it. And you will get this information from either using the mate, Googling the mate, but especially through working in the course. So you're probably like, what do you mean, course? So, sorry, my door just opened. So here we go. You will be following along with a self-paced course in Onshape in the Onshape Learning Center. You'll be watching videos as well as completing exercises that Onshape provides. Below you will find the outline for this Onshape course. No video is longer than 4 minutes. Pay attention and take notes where you think it is important. Only complete the 2 exercises that are highlighted in yellow, but watch all the videos provided. Share them with me only. So when you create or when you do the exercises, you'll share them with me only. We've been sharing them with our team, but we're not going to be doing that anymore. We'll no longer be sharing with the team because it's confusing some people in class and they're accessing other students' work. You'll also turn a screenshot in of your exercise on Schoology to receive credit as well. Here are the 2 turn-in spots on Schoology where you'll turn in your screenshot. If you have extra time at the end, try and complete the final exercise, but it's not mandatory. You will need to be signed into Onshape to access this course. Here's the link. You're going to open it, and you're going to make sure you're signed into Onshape. So I'm going to open that up right now. And I am already signed into Onshape, and as you can see, I've started going through. This course outline that you see here is the same course outline that you will be working through in Onshape. The things highlighted in yellow are the exercises that you're going to be completing. There is a 3rd exercise. Like I said, it's not mandatory, but if you have extra time, go ahead and do it. The rest of the things that are not highlighted in yellow are videos. And like I said, none of them are longer than 4 minutes. So it'll show you how far you are, how much you have completed. Watching the first 2, it'll show you the bubbles, you'll watch the videos, it'll go over, you can see it's going over some of the mates right there, it'll tell you the definitions. While it's going over this, I recommend you fill out your worksheet. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And again, once you complete the exercises, turn in a screenshot and share with me only. We'll be going over this again in class when we meet. But I wanted to let you know what we were doing so that maybe you could get a head start if you wanted to. This is a really great course that will teach you how to create those mates and will help you make your protective case actually movable. Open, close, slide, if you've got a slide kind of component, things like that. So that is what we were doing this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a Schoology message. If not, I'll see you guys in class, and I hope you have a great day.